coach Eric Tinkler nense no kan wo bubum ama amanfo eso etimi atiase Benjamin akwaba bibia bokode
boss nyame adum kaka
okay all right so solo wie de ye ba fie no ye nche won kra ba fie na ya bedi nkomo wo fie coach Eric Tinkler ena oguso a wodi nkomo guso a wodi nkomo na ise wodi nkomo ama na ba bedru facilities a Ghanaian clubs use especially training facilities na ura Eric Tinkler at the TP Mazembe in the general no the Ghanaian clubs to the standard of TP Mazembe so your pen no paper ready na yenti Asante Kotoko coach Eric Tinkler and some aka ediafa training facilities at Ghanaian clubs
Pitches in Ghana are not the greatest. Standard of the 4 pitches are very, very poor. There's only a handful of clubs that really have decent pitches and also decent stadiums. Some of the teams obviously are playing on artificial pitches, but the standard and the quality of those artificial pitches are not to the standard of TP Mazembe, for example. They play on artificial and it's a high quality artificial pitch. The ones we see here are not on that level. You know, the club had plans in place back in 2013 to build a training center, 4 fields. Up till now, they've only managed to complete 2 of those fields. The facilities itself have not grown, but the idea now is to try and resurrect those plans and get them done within the next 3, 4, 5 years. We're looking to put in an artificial pitch because I think it's extremely important to bring one to the training center where we are, because the club would also like to start introducing youth teams. We currently only have a reserve team, so we look to try and start an under 17 team and then eventually grow that way. I think Mediama is the only club really at the moment that has decent training facilities, whereas majority of the other clubs really struggle. So there's still a lot of work and a long way to go here in Ghana for them to get to the level or the standard that you would see in the likes of Cameroon, South Africa, Algeria, Tunisia as examples, Egypt. But the talent that exists here in Ghana is massive. It really is massive. A lot of scouts come out here to Ghana looking for players, and the players are actually grabbed here at quite a very early stage of their development careers. And so to try and find quality here, in my opinion, is not that difficult, but a challenge because you're competing against everyone. So it's like level playing field. It's strength against strength. So the league itself, it's not a walkover for any team. Every team has to work extremely hard and ensure that they collect maximum points in order to win the league.
100.7.
Okay, Kotoko coach Eric Tinkler and oni a journalist of South Africa didn't come and ye bisa nsem fa na control to edifi South Africa be pim Ghana and yoma wo hu edifa Ghana yembo no titru facilities aye clubs no use disolo mamemra ho na chichi efamaye ha
o saase no de na twitwi kakra o se wo hwe picture ye bosobo e wo Ghana generally obae de ono na hu no de e wo form kakra na o de ai wo form
o se e wo form en kakra so
na o de toto ti se TP Mazembe a o DR Congo e ho a unse TP Mazembe de no wo soro pa e de chen Ghanaian pitches are ono so far obae wo hu unse obae wako adakoja ache wako tech wako Barbara Sports Stadium wako alignment AstroTurf wako Asim AstroTurf and currently Olegon our training ebo friendly matches sa pitches na wo hu ne de e wo form pa se wo de compare TP Mazembe utimu se ye de no e wo form indru TP Mazembe de no no kra Asante Kotoko no management na ka che ne se ombe mo pitches 9 ne 9 no se mienu wo ho a omo yeso adwuma ombe side mienu aka ho e de amomo na omo ye ne sa ombe start a youth team na ye han reserve team ne wo nto ono pese omo sha se youth team under 15 under 17 edeba de ye wo ha no e reserve team na ohwemu pa de Ghana ha no kame se Mediama pe e na omo wo decent training facility Ghana ha o se Mediama pe referring to the TNA stadium and no more decent facility a ubetim de atoto de wa ma no ni bi no ho eno kra no endru de opesu ohu na on de onim se Ghana yebedru honom no emutwe I see we have a very long way to go and a lot of work adwuma bebre na wose ye emu so twen pa see yebedru Cameroon standard yebedru South Africa standard yebedru Algeria standard yebedru Egypt standard emu twen pa na ade ya ne ha ne se wo pe omo bobo Ghana ha ne penye den players power Ghana ha ne penye den omo nim bobo lot of talent wa ha the time bi ana scout eba o se anu nti na Ghana ha ye boliga se team no anyere ne ho pa eden so obeje because talent no club bia obi to man a level playing ground a ubie mu so ye mbo a obia betim no obia abo enu nti no onim se e wo so de adwuma pii ehemu Asante Kotoko kran sana wagili but talent na e wa ha no any pitches a ye de mo so mo mbobo no emboa wo development ni ade enti no ohwe ani mu se Ghana yebetumi aye pitches standard no was yebetumi match countries no obobo ye ne de Cameroon, Tunisia, South Africa, Algeria, Egypt no obobo ni sa ti nsem no kan no
wa manansi ho osa to aso naniso ade hunu e de ma Asante Kotoko yenti de tinkla e kan
club owners is a success, and obviously that is what the club wants, and that's also what I want. You know, I came here to be a successful coach. I came here to try and get this club qualify again for the Champions League, but the club is well aware of the challenges that they face, both financially, also in terms of infrastructure, looking to try and create an environment that is more professional. We've had to deal with a lot of indiscipline at the club, and I think a lot of that stems from a number of factors, and the club is aware of that, you know. So I think I will be judged obviously on results and performance, but at the same time the club is well aware of the difficulties that we face.
Okay. So I mean to no so
o say
mete Champions League
yeah o say Asante Kotoko na wa ba no ono na ni so ade hunu ni Asante Kotoko ani so ade hunu ye baako ene say club no e be successful na say enioma be koyi e de amom na opeso sign the Asante Kotoko kobo CAF Confederations Cup was a CAF Champions League or qualify omode omokobo na emum dwumadie na odi no Asante Kotoko krona Asante Kotoko ne kra nim se omo woniema bi a ha omo a ebema dwumadie na ye den kakra ohun to se saa niema no ben omo chen se de omo hunu no de di kan sikasem ye toso mienu facilities infrastructure ye kan park you baby a players better baby a offices on be adwuma any indiscipline a sign e work club na indiscipline do nim se niema bebre e na e de aba a omo hwese ombeyi e de afri ho onim se obobo no a chance yes obobo a resource obenya no ene be hwe eso de ajaage no nemum club ni so nim se resource no obenya no sa niema ya wabobo su ya eno so be ko atia dwumadi omudi no club ni sunim nti hwe omo hwe sa niema no na omo hwe so omo betoto se de be ya resource no no open na ye de be jaage no eno so atumi atumpon
okay eno eye tinkla onye na abrante na wo interview no obusa question mi se onima de kronti a obeja na dwuma wo South Africa na waba Ghana ha abrante na da so no Metro FM wo South Africa I want to think like a interview na oba fa a sleeping giant timache say ewu mada bonima de kro wo de yenti no.
I mean, I loved and worshipped Eric Tinkler as a player, right? So it was always so great to see him in the light as a coach. And look at what he did in South African football. But now, you know, to leave South Africa, there's many coaches that have gone to Egypt, Morocco, Tanzania. What he did was was different. Ghana. He went to Ghana and he went to awaken a sleeping giant, Timmy. Because if you think about where he's gone to Kumasi in Ghana, to Asante Kotoko, growing up at the time that he was playing and then a lot after that, this was the giant of African football, winning Champions League trophies left, right and center. What a great institute that he's gone to. And we have not had the chance to just say, hey coach, how have you settled? And congratulations, all the best. That's all it is. We need to speak to Eric Tinkler just to wish him well and hear how things are going at Asante Kotoko, who is now the head coach of from Pirates Cape Town City Supersports Cocoon as well. He's now left South Africa on his first continental job, on his first job outside of this country. So I can't wait for that conversation.
Okay. Nti eno no mode ma Tinkler kwaba. Ke kansem.
Ose
South African journalist who kansem kire.
Ozo no pe Tinkler sempa. We ball boy ma South Africa. Any ade.
Ose time na obobo no na na Kotoko team kese.
Na no wa say coaches a o ma bobo no to set Tinkler no. A o mu nyina ye so mbe kwa Africa ko coach no. Ebi ko Egypt, ebi ko Tanzania, ebi ko Morocco. Na Tinkler de o ya de bi o mo dwene ho mo nti ase o se o ba Ghana onu obo no se ba Ghana so be fatim bi a ti se jata wa da te se emo yi di na nimu ahuru sie ya sa Asante Kotoko na ba Ghana o sa be fai o mo dwene ho a mo nti ase
ya te anyway ka kire no afi wakasafa Asante Kotoko adwuma no inti no.
I worked with him obviously back in 2010 with the KNVB, and he contacted me to tell me about Stanley Menzo joining Asante Kotoko as the technical director, and that they were looking for an experienced African coach, and asked me whether I would be interested, and I said of course I would be interested. I ended up speaking to Stanley Menzo. We had a lengthy conversation, and he spoke about the club and the struggles of the club and what the club wants to try and do moving forward in the future, and whether I'd be interested to be part of that project. So for me, it made all sense in the world. I've been a massive fan of Ghanaian football for many, many years. What they done back in 2010 in the World Cup, in my playing days, playing against Ghana was never easy. The games that we played and the quality of the players that Ghana produces. So for me, it made sense to take an opportunity of this nature. And, yes, this is a massive club in Ghana. It's a massive club on the African continent, but the club, that struggled over the past 5-6 years to really reclaim its rightful spot, playing in the Champions League or in the Confederations Cup, and obviously looking to win titles. And I thought, well, this is an opportunity where I can possibly come and change the fortunes of the club. I like working on projects, such as this, because ultimately it was a full clean out really at the club, looking to bring in new players, new faces. Stanley and I have been extremely busy over the past 3 weeks scouting, looking for new players that we can look to bring in, and that hasn't been a very, very easy task. Our budget, truth be told, is nowhere near the budgets that majority of the clubs on the African continent that are competing in Champions League. We don't have that type of budget, so we've got to be very, very smart in terms of our scouting and recruiting, and so far I think we've been doing a pretty good job, but still another 3 weeks before the league starts, and only time will tell, so hopefully within the next 3 weeks we can set a proper foundation here, build a proper team to ensure that we can look to compete against the likes of Mediama and obviously Hearts of Oak. They're the other two popular teams here in Ghana, and Mediama won the league last season, currently are the most successful team in Ghana, so we want to make sure that we can compete against them and try and run all the way to the end of the season and hopefully lift that league title and get the club back onto the continental stage.
Think like us out. Now or chere kwan of fast when you adwumadi no. O se ne yonku bi na ebe ka chere ne se Stanley Menzo epe coach e de na be di dwuma e wo Ghana. No ne ye adwuma o KNVB, which is the Netherlands national team. Nti ne yonku no e ka chere no e no ma on Stanley Menzo di nkomo na Menzo ka chere ne se dwumadi e da ho a epe coach ni. Na dwumadi na yekodi no o hawe wo mu ni. Na ye pese ye shase ye foforo ne ye pija club ne de koyanim wani je hu se obe ba be ye se adwuma no o pese o ye part of that project no say oh why not me the new opportunity ye project say ya na mani je hu e na one Menzo di nkomo na oji two every say no cry no 2010 whole ben nyina no ye obi a nani di Ghana football chi a ope Ghana asem enioma ye was South Africa 2010 any years back na Asante Kotoko ne clubs ni bi ba Africa de omo ye ntino we di Ghana football chi achepa na Kotoko club kese wo Ghana san club kese wo Africa nti ono no akwanya kese de ma no eso obeba ene Asante Kotoko abeye adwuma no ma peja team na free ba bia wo sesi a de akọ animu no see oba ye ya omo pay players yi omo enya adwuma eda form de bia players ba ne bi ko no omo hwebi ni ade na sika eda ho e wo som de ye adwuma Kotoko no ukofa clubs akese ni bi wa Africa na de be toto ho a Kotoko de no wo form kra nti na wo se omo recruitment and players no omo fa no also omo ye smart kakra ho edu time bia na wo de wa adwen no adwen kese bi na de pa na de ahye ho na we players ni bi na de abeka on ti no aka 3 weeks e be start league omo guso a eye adwuma na ye say na ni so ade hunu ne pa ne say omo betumi ni mediema a oji league no as so omo ne nim bobo no bo house of folks din say house de ode be bata ho no an hye dan ka so omo nim bobo o so omo de omo din no e no omo didin ho omo ye popular enti no mediema ne ha se de be ya Kotoko betumi ni omo abopa no eno ne ani so ade hunu a eda na ni so sesi a se ye hye league na se a mediema ni Kotoko ni no Tinkla ogina bencha obetumi ni mediema abo ho no mbe hye ase atoto ne ma na kopem bra obetumi de Kotoko asen Africa no makwa akwaji enkruwa.
Okay, solo ebeda ase mse wachichi mbebi obi a obi ano obeti ase nti waya de yebo abaso mame na mse obi zumra
no very interesting so uti Tinkland sam na you see knowing your problem eboaw ema unha be faso a obeba obra na wakowani now eye ade a yenya nim say and so I think like can now it's something that we've been saying it for the past years here in terms of the problems facing Asante Kotoko. Sikasem is nobody should hide it. Unse why not careful you will not understand or misconstrue what he said about the Sikasem. Or the Sikasem no Kotoko compare the other African countries. In Zambia, Ghana, you can be the Ogoro. But we Ogoro, as in Puna, no or share budget now or buy no. The board no the actual said this is the budget you are going to operate within no. Not to compare other countries now or mere giant now. Just say our growing Yedino Kumasi. That was the basis of the comparison now or I say about Sikasemna or Kano. And let's not also forget, Makano said that there's a Kotoko infrastructure. And you know, a lot of money will definitely go into infrastructure now more yellow. And it will affect budget for recruitment. That one is there. But even that infrastructure new, then it's gonna air car we still now we can't compare ourselves to those countries now over body because Gabon abewa na esunyi pa. Na jibo Gabon enya na ekesi you see Gabon ekesi enya na achede de it has always been there. But near to be no more time na think na mo bo na Ghana na akutua enyu it's not like we're paying good salaries sanity but na adene was na talent that we are able to what use our talent and match their resources. Into when say Orlando Pirates money, career chief money, work of Morocco and Ali mono. That money, that time na go say the later Shinyani ni the boko to Georgetta mo. E kunya ask Egypt no onya ko to like relatively.
Onya.
Jibo wonya relatively. Sometimes relatively. Jibo wonya men dada ho.
But sa be na kakra bi na eburu yeso.
Bebre
Egypt mo Morocco mo.
Na me say sa time na gabo obi.
Na North Africans na eburu.
Na gabo ni South Africa. So, ba na ye timi no mo bo. any skill, but now we are able to play with them with our talent. By now, we cannot compete them with money, and we can also compete them with talent. You know, I like the fact that they've seen the problems. Now the moment they give more money, say their ability or their willingness to also solve some of the problems with the board. And me faru da cika krebi.
Moto na yi.
Me faru kakra. Na honestly, if you see the training pitches, bones me da board no. How they are improving. I'm sure say come to Kenya because no person on space for them to work on the pitches.
Yeah.
Jibo me see where they me amani and am go hu here. Enye obi dey go try na go hu here. Me share call them. I wanted to go see something for myself. Yeah, things me go.
Obi dey go hu babo am. One na do when you fiko.
If you see the two pitches what that currently omo the pitches in this one, you love it. And the other jobs that they are doing in terms of how they want to do sign money now.
The think like where can say board na promise no. Say aside two no improve no. On be additional 2 pitches.
At the account. If you just say nyama I think air complaining of no. The board have accepted it. Say it's a problem that they are solving to get the good pitches and play on it.
Okay.
I like that angle no. We are free one now. You see, I don't have to think like Tia say I can't interview no. I think if you chile mapa. I'm one of us ball Ghana no. Ghana? Who's Obi yes I didn't say on for Ghana nyashi. I'll go with pass I don't. But you can't blame him too. You see where they offer sa partner it goes Asante Kotoko. Omo South Africa and there omo nim say Ghana there about the ball like pitches most of these countries you know say one country omo pitches A0 Ghana. They know it. It's good that some clubs are trying to help themselves by improving their pitches and those things. If I think like that, Jibo, if they are able to change the environment, one of them, that thing that he talk about indiscipline. Open one idea affecting Kotoko over the years, indiscipline.
Okay.
Players come, very good player. He comes in and join bad influence. Not also more than it was saying.
Okay.
It is good that at least most of the things now can interview me now. Say Oko share 1 or 2 or 3 of them there. You could clearly say the technical team plus the board are taking some conscious efforts on make me there. Improving.
Yeah, say Al Hassan Kofi Zakito. Obed Mamintiu.
Yeah, solid interview now. Tenkla. Only and deal a South Africa. Nah,
we also can't know for no South Africa.
No, he's a top journalist.
Okay.
Top guy.
Now, oh, Rasta now.
David. Also more winter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so more than I know new power South Africa at this point.
Okay.
One you're careful. Also, me more. They think land go back and we feel say we are not near the
yes, yeah, was summer.
In 70 be na I'm happy say this board no more branding you 2 years in 3 years bia na in fear thing because we share baby be madura for everybody what they want for each have a year wa ko other teams no it paints a picture of senior yakechi even away from that so we share players no to kwa each year abe. If you meet them now, you discuss their salaries, correct? It tells you the financial strength of some of these countries. Your countries in Ghana seek a switch on more. The gap between more local currency and the dollar, I know they change, but they are even paying better if you use the dollar as the standard to measure the salaries. I don't know they make here. You might say South Africa, for instance. Say Ghana is sick, a switch in South Africa sick. So who could $1? What's the sound Ghana? Equivalent to Albinyano. Who was South Africa? What's the sound Bibri? That's it. But they are paying huge. in terms of so convert to dollar as compared to the ever convert to dollar. The me price and the dollar na ke kitu heavy as compared to on the because the dollar and on the so on the currency no so, but they are spending huge if you convert it to dollars. But the idea place no come dollar to convert it dollar na say no convert it aba yen cedi no obe check na bebre. So financially we are not there. In terms of infrastructure we are not there. It have not he admitted say talent is not a problem in this country. But they say put talent no or see I have a problem because I'm not forced to say Ghana or talent. To mutisimun tem into top ones wait me a share Colombia so we do ya de you. As soon as you about fanako. So even with the talent, if we are not careful, not financially and position who you are, you might even get to the stage talent in Ukraine. You have a brands and you before our top clubs.
Okay.
And a typical example is Uti Kura, you dear no buy kama pa. Now man for a free bontails and no buy no, a honey dear ye, Udia gra, or maybe Tony in our Uti and home pass when you be. So one piece can go to mouse bit me apart. So the issue is big and the problem is massive.
Okay.
And it comes back to one thing, time and patience when it makes me fix it. Makasa, I would want to see the Kotoko PR unit actively coming back to the party. Me and I may share the kind of communication that also around Kotoko ahead of the Democracy Cup. I'm not happy because it looks like they are setting themselves up. Pa.
I didn't know Moka.
Oh, na so be ye be share na kwajigu asa akwa asan fofra.
Na do be da be ka se munya abotre mai.
Ah, now can engine okay. Omo to aso sai.
10 years mo china.
Me point there.
Because one heart of lions.
At this point in the table, no, so you can say a discussion of ye kwashe. I've been consistent with this issue because so what's your problems now think levels on that. Brain you can say I have yankwaji. We must fix certain fundamental issues before eventually some fundamental issues, you know. And when the foundation is laid, resource will be automatic.
0322494771
Play free agent. Yes, man, $4,000 you cannot pay. Play free agent. Yes, man, $3,000 you cannot pay. And all that you are thinking about is, man, conquer Ghana 3 points. Oh, conquer now, so fix the foundations first. And to win. And now got conversation has democracy cap in the that should not be the conversation now.